Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to change your profile picture on Viber. Without any further ado, let's get started. First, once you have Viber open on your phone, direct your attention to the bottom of the screen. You'll see several navigation options there. Go ahead and tap on the one labeled More. This will take you to your main profile and settings area where you can manage various aspects of your Viber account. Once you're in the More section, look at the top right corner of your screen. You'll notice a pencil icon sitting there. This is your edit button, and it's your gateway to modifying your profile information. Tap on this pencil icon to enter edit mode for your profile. This is where you can change everything from your name to your profile photo. Now that you're in the editing interface, you'll see your current profile picture displayed prominently. Tap directly on your current profile picture. This action will open up a menu that gives you several options for updating your photo. These options let you choose where you want to source your new profile picture from. After tapping your profile picture, a menu will appear with different choices. You'll see options like Gallery, Camera, or Lenses. Gallery lets you choose from existing photos on your device. Camera allows you to take a new photo right now, and Lenses offers fun filters and effects. For this example, we'll tap on Gallery since that's the most common choice when you already have a photo you'd like to use. Once you've selected Gallery, you'll be taken to your phone's photo library. Browse through your photos and find the image you want to use as your new profile picture. When you've found the perfect photo, simply tap on it to select it. The photo will then load into Viber's editing interface. After selecting your photo, you'll see a screen with a Done button. Go ahead and tap Done to proceed to the next step. This confirms your photo selection and moves you forward in the process. Now you'll see an editing screen where you can adjust how your photo appears. There will be a square overlay on your image that you can move and resize. This square determines what portion of your photo will actually be used as your profile picture. Take a moment to adjust this square by dragging it around and resizing it until it captures exactly the part of the image you want to display. This ensures your profile picture looks exactly how you want it to appear to your contacts. Once you're satisfied with how your photo is positioned and cropped, tap the Save button. This will finalize your changes and set your new profile picture. Give it a moment to process and upload. And that's it. Your Viber profile picture has been successfully updated. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.